Hello friends, as contrast to the concept, the general concept that desert is the poor land. Nothing can grow on the desert. So it is not really true. The desert is very rich land. The desert is rich land for the plants which are adapted to the desert. The desert is rich place for the animals which are adapted to the desert, like camel, like the plants like heliaxylon, the plant like marh, I told you, the plants like other species like the trees. So when you can see this water, the rainwater came here, the rain water was flooded over here in this area. You can see a lot of plants. Here we can see a lot of plants are grown in the area where the rainwater was gathered naturally. The rainwater came here. The rainwater came here, and you can see more plants grown here. More plants, new plants here. All the plants are very happy. All the plants are very happy. They are grown really in a very happy and healthy mode. So we will go. Please come. Was collected, was gathered because of the landscape. Many more plants are grown. You can see many more plants are grown. Though they are desert plants, but they are new plants. You can see, and the desert is no more desert because it is now changed into a lush green area. So this place can be very good place for camel grazing, for goat grazing. So we should promote grazing, we should promote the local resources, the local genetic resources to solve the problem of food security in climate change conditions. Please friends, like my video, subscribe to the video, and keeping the spirit up to conserve, to protect our Mother Earth. Thank you very much.